Hey, NASDAQ. We're going to best dope on the markets here. We're going to talk markets here. Today is Tuesday. Today is June 9th. Okay, what are we looking at here? You know what? We've got some really worldwide things shaping up that would be called macro. Here, up in the upper right-hand corner here, this is silver. Okay, now silver did get down to one of these olive lines. Now listen, we will have them on the way down, but 66.80. Okay, oops, hang on. Move it over there a little bit. It really goofs it up, but okay. So this week, this happened the 7th, 8 o'clock at night. Okay, and right here. Okay, you can see we just went. I just drew this. I'm like, hang on a second here. We got 69.10 is Friday's settlement price. Okay, so that'll be the weekly. Okay, here we're down $3, rallied here to the weekly. Come back down here. We got a head and shoulders. Well, there's a trend line here. There'd be another head and shoulders probably down here. Hang on a second. Let's see. It's a little lesson. Okay, if you have you have to have the right data. Right? Because if it's just like free data, okay, where are they getting that data from? What month is it? Okay, so anyway, so that's silver. We're just going to breeze through some of these things. I got some opinions on. There's been the grains had a pretty big break here, consecutive occurrences. Let's go to the one on the that everybody's got on their mind, and all the libtards are complaining about high electric prices, okay? This is crude oil here, okay? As a matter of fact, it looks like we just went down here. 88.70 is the low. This trend line is at 88.55, and there's a red right underneath there, okay? So you can see two things here. I'll show you, okay? So there they are. What is that? 9 cents apart. Okay, so that's going to be an area. Here's a couple areas on the downside underneath here. We're at 89.13, folks. Okay, this was yesterday. This was all that panic. Oh, no, this was June 3rd. This was yesterday when we got up to 95 half. Yeah, this was at what, 97? Yeah, 97, 95 half, $2.50 lower under this March 9th high, okay? It was right over here when I started talking about all these, like the Hang Seng, China. Although China's, yeah, they haven't broke yet. yet. Stock market. Here's bean oil. This, you know what? This might get a bounce here into the USDA. Here's meal here. We have a diamond here. Hang on a second here. Okay, we have two consecutive, okay, back to back here. You get one bar up, next day you open higher, and you do this for 2 days, okay? I do have an olive line right down here. I got a trend line, 302.40, 301.80. This hit exact, 302.40. That's pretty, 302.10 is the low here. So, okay, because this is here. We just opened here. If you're looking to buy this thing, no, we didn't open. It's 822, top left hand or the bottom right hand corner. Okay, it is June 9th. This is wheat. You know, if you're looking to buy wheat, okay, and we're back over this pink one. Find out why look at that. Almost like they sold it back down because yesterday we were outside up day. Okay, you're still in the trend lines here, but if you're looking to buy it, you know, you decide where, but there was an olive down there. Oh, and as a matter of fact, in this olive at call it 575, okay? It's an even quarter figure. It's a strike price. 575, you can see over here. It's a long term. As a matter of fact, let me show you how long term it is. Okay. Where is this at? 574.5. Right over here, okay? See over here? Over here, you got a green and you got this. Okay, you got the olive. Okay, so these are long term. Okay, and nothing says it's going to play, although it can play exactly, or it could play over the course of a week. You come back when you explode over there, and then you come back, and now you're back over the lows. You're back over, we'll see. That's wheat. If one was looking to buy it on the long side, use a stop, risk stops. Okay, so when I do these videos, they take over the course of hours. I mean, I just try to talk about everything here. Here's Dees corn. Okay, here we've had the sell-off here. Okay, we had our run-up. We had about a buck run-up here because the 404, as a matter of fact, 404. This is the 404 is in a number in the July, not in Dees. Dees is premium to over that. We are running a 7. I like this trend line right here at 442, okay? This is off the old inflation here. You could make a case here. You could make a case here, okay? See, and even here, you close over it here. It's rejected, and then there's your last time, okay? That's the one where if, in fact, you get lucky enough and you're still bearish, you sell it here with a new high stop. I'm just saying, okay? And then you come down here to this. It looks easy, okay, when they hit like that on a daily, but, if you don't pay attention that much and you want to buy trend lines, get a hold of me, Here's beans, a couple here. This is March, okay? So this is short-term olive buys. If you're looking at 1150 up there, I got things to say, 1157.5 above that. You could see the 7 here also. Okay. So I'd watch this. Now it's 35.5. Yesterday it was at 34.5. That's actually the 5 is 5/8, that last column. Okay. So this will be an area here, and we could go up on USDA and go up and tag one of these and then break and then come back there. So, just some ideas here. It's just day-to-day living in the futures markets if you're farmer, rancher, or speculator. Okay, so it's 8:26 here because I'm going to pause this puppy. There's silver over here. Maybe do it upside down. You go down there, and there is another olive down there, 65.37-ish. Okay? You have to be wanting to buy silver, and, and that's where my levels come in. Since it's a little easier, maybe I'll save the end or something like that just for different commodities. Here is the hogs here. I did a video yesterday, talked about outside down into olive buys, okay? Here you can see here in the, we did hit it. We hit it, 96.05, okay? So 96.07 was the low here. Maybe I can blow this up on this one. I guess I can move my cursor away. Okay, and then 96.80 right there. These are in the July hogs. Okay, and then here's the cattle here. 7 up, and then we're coming right back down. Keep an eye on cattle here because this, actually here, there's cattle, okay? This is where we are, up here, okay? It's perspective there. You got the last 5 years. $1.60 to $2.50. Okay, you need anything else on any of these markets? Stocks included. We got the biggest IPO going off. What is it, tomorrow? Got things to say about that, and I didn't get into the stocks, but if you're looking to sell stocks here, you can email me, arp@nasdog.com. Always use a risk stop to stop the risk. Thanks for watching. If you need any kind of trading services, you need a broker, a retail broker, email me. We'll bring it in through a regulated company. I'm a self-employed individual that also is an introducing broker. All right, thanks for watching.